Let's talk about incisal classification. Class 1, incisal edge of upper incisor at or below cingulum plateau. Class 2, incisal edges posterior to cingulum. Division 1 proclined and division 2 is retroclined. Class 3, incisal edges anterior to cingulum plateau. Okay. Now, crossbite is a transfer discrepancy in buccolingual and labiolingual direction. Anterior crossbite, upper anterior occlude lingual to lower, and posterior crossbite, upper posterior lingual to lower posteriors. Okay. Overjet is known as horizontal overlap. Distance between the labials of lower incisor and incisal edges of upper anteriors. Okay. Normal is 2 to 3 mm. Okay. Mild is 3 to 4. Moderate is 5 to 6. Severe is 7 to 10. Okay. This is overjet. Overjet of 5 mm or greater indicates class 2 malignant. Okay, mean moderate one. Reverse overjet, negative overjet, or anterior crossbite. Three things are same. Lower incisor are in front of upper incisor. Lower incisor are in front of upper incisor. Okay. Normal is 1. Normal is 0. Reverse overjet. Moderate is 1 to 2. Severe 3 to 4 or greater. This is reverse overjet. Okay. Overbite is known as vertical overlapping. Normal vertical overlapping is there is overbite. Normal vertical overlapping or overbite is 1 to 2 mm. Okay. Open bite or negative open bite, these two things are same. No vertical overlapping. Moderate 0 to 2. Severe 3 to 4 mm. Okay. Now come towards deep bite, increased or severe overbite, traumatic overbite भी इसको कहते हैं. 3 to 4 mm moderate, while severe is 5 to 7 mm. Then come towards Sunday bite or dual bite. Sunday bite is known as dual bite. Habitual forward position of mandible into class 1. Okay. And severe class 2. Complete bite. If occlusion stops between incisal edges of lower and cingulum of upper incisors. Okay. Spontaneous flexion of diastema happens if it is less than 2 mm. Okay. Now, what is ugly duckling stage? Ugly duckling stage is self-correcting, flared and spared maxillary incisors. It happens at 8 to 11 years old children. Unerupted canine lies superior and distal to lateral incisors, corrected by eruption of permanent canine. जब permanent canine की eruption होगी तो हमारे पास अगली duckling stage ठीक हो जाएगी. A skeletal classification shows anterior posterior direction. Class 1 straight profile. It is also known as neutro-occlusion. Class 2 profile is convex and it is also known as maxillary prognathism or disto-occlusion. Class 3 is concave or it is known as mesio-occlusion or mandibular prognathism. Okay. Now see compensating curves. Compensating curves, two types, subdivided into two: curve of Spee and curve of Wilson. What is curve of Spee? Curve of Spee is anterior posteriorly Okay, it start at the tips of incisal edges of distal cusp of third molar. थर्ड मोलर के जो इंसाइजल एजेस की टिप से स्टार्ट होती है. ओके. And what is curve of Wilson? It is the curve of Spee. And curve of Wilson, curve of Spee is anterior posterior, while curve of Wilson is mesiodistal. Okay, curve of Wilson. And we will remember it as Wilson में W उल्टा करेंगे तो वो उसको स्ट्रेट करेंगे ना, W उल्टा है, इसको स्ट्रेट करेंगे तो M बन जाएगा ना. Wilson mesiodistal. Contact buccal and lingual cusp of molars on both sides. Okay. Primate spaces. What are primate spaces? Primate spaces are physiological spaces. In maxilla, these are mesial to primary canine, while in mandible, these are distal to deciduous canine. Okay, while in mandible, these are distal to deciduous canine. Understood? Now come towards these were primary spaces. Now we will see leeway spaces. ठीक है, leeway space.